Welcome to Hansrel MForms demo. Now let's click on Open to start the application. You're greeted by a login screen. Enter assigned username and password. Click on OK. On OK, MForms will talk to the server through GPRS for user authentication. After successful user authentication, map studies are downloaded on the phone. In this case, you can see there are two studies, demo study and example study. Now let's look into the demo study. On selecting demo study, you see the demo form, and on selecting the demo form, you see the list of questions related to this demo form. Now let's start entering the demo form. The first question is the patient ID, which is a number field. So let's enter some number value here. Click on OK to accept this value. The next field is the first name. Enter your first name here. The next question is last name. This is a required question which is being indicated by a red star. A required question is a compulsory question. You cannot skip filling this question. You need to fill this question to upload data to the server. Now let's try not to fill this data and save. You get an alert saying there's some required answers missing. Your data will be saved but is incomplete. So on yes, this data will be stored as an incomplete data on your local system. Later you can just look into this incomplete data and fill, and then you can upload this data to the server. Now let's select on no, and let's fill in this field with the last name. The next question is a gender question and is a single select question. Let's fill in this field. Do you smoke? This is a Boolean question with yes or no as the answer. So based on this question's answer, the next question will pop up. So let's select yes, and then you can see how many cigarettes a day you smoke. Now let's get back to you. Do you smoke, and then say no and click on OK. Now the number of cigarettes question is disappeared. The next question is birth date, which is a date type of question. Now let's fill in date of birth. The next is the weight question, which is a decimal field. So let's fill the weight. Do you play? Do you play is a multiple choice question. It says do you play cricket, football, hockey or volleyball. So it's you can choose more than one option here. So let me choose cricket, football, hockey. Think of a 4-digit number. Now here we have to enter 4-digit number, but I'll enter more than 4-digit number, and then I'll click on OK. Now this input is validated, and you get an alert saying that please enter a 4-digit number. Now I'll edit it and give a 4-digit number and click on OK. Now let's look into the calculation feature. So here enter some value, and this is being multiplied by 2 and the result is being shown. The next two questions are the start and the end time. The start time logs the start time of the questionnaire, that is the time when you've started filling the questionnaire, and the end time is filled later once you save and submit the questionnaire. Now that we have filled in all the questions, let's save the form. The form is saved successfully and you click on OK. You have an option here to upload this completed data to the server, or you can keep this data on your local system for further reference. On yes, MForms will talk to the server. On no, the data will be on the system. So now on yes, MForms is trying to talk to the server through GPRS so that it can upload this data. So the data has been uploaded successfully, and you have a reference ID here, and that ID is 11. So now let's look at the server side. This is eCollect dashboard, that is nothing but the server, and you can see the demo form here, and the response to it is 0 now. Let me refresh, and now the response is 1. Let's look into this data. So the reference ID is 11, which is the same as the MForms ID. Let's open this form. So now you can see the same data that was filled from MForms. So I hope you enjoyed this demo. Thank you.